Hello everybody, it's me, the Mind Injector. In this video I am going to tell you 5 types of digital marketing that entrepreneurs must understand to succeed. If you have a business, you understand how the internet can help you attract and retain more clients for your goods or services. However, you need to understand the different types of online marketing to ensure that you use the proper channels to create a sturdy enterprise. Digital marketing has taken over the airwaves, and many entrepreneurs have chosen that path because of its benefits. As an entrepreneur, it is important to understand the digital marketing methods available to you. You may not be able to master them all overnight, but understanding which is best for your business is a great first step. Number 1 on the list is instant messaging marketing. Instant messaging marketing has increased dramatically in the last few years. Messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, WeChat, as well as others have made it common for users to communicate socially with just about anyone in their network. This has shown that users prefer real-time communication. The average user sends about 67 messages per day, and spends about 23 hours per week writing them. What makes this marketing method appealing for customers is the ease, speed, and simplicity. It boasts 6 times more open rates and 8 times more click rates compared to traditional email marketing, with 2.5 times more customer engagement with the brands. As consumers seek to simplify their interaction with the businesses and brands they use, instant messaging apps will continue to find relevance. Number 2 on the list is social media marketing. Almost 3/4 of the world's population today have created social media profiles. That means a broad audience is out there looking for things being marketed on such platforms. One of the crucial advantages of social media marketing is that you have various platforms to leverage. Additionally, you get a chance to expose your products to a pretty broad target audience. There is a significant percentage of social media users who need your goods or services. However, this marketing strategy goes beyond creating posts about your products and replying to the interested parties' comments. You must ensure that the content you post on your pages and walls is engaging and keeps prospective clients attracted to it. Number 3 on the list is search engine optimization. If you want your website to appear at the top of different search engines, you must ensure you embrace SEO, which means search engine optimization. Most businesses today have a website, and the competition is pretty high. The main goal of leveraging SEO marketing is to ensure that potential clients find your website easily, as it ranks among the top on search engines. The best way to go about it is by hiring web designers and developers. Such professionals have profound knowledge of the content that internet users want. Therefore, they will create an excellent website and make it famous online for prospective clients to easily find you. Besides creating great and attractive content, search engine optimization also entails knowing the right keywords and understanding how to have an incredible link structure. When you hear about keywords, you should think of the search terms that prospective consumers of your product often search for. Number 4 on the list is email marketing. The use of electronic mail, also known as email, has decreased over the last few years, but it is still an excellent and incredible way of marketing your products. The American Marketing Association has proven the effectiveness of this marketing model. Additionally, the organization has revealed that the experts in this marketing strategy understand how to create compelling campaigns, also understand optimum consumer outreach, analyze client interactions and information, and have great decision-making skills based on the data they collect. Also, the other advantage you can enjoy with email marketing is that it is easy to use and convenient. All you have to do is ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a suitable gadget, whether a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Fortunately, you can never exhaust your options when choosing the provider of such services and the shops where to buy the necessary devices and gadgets. There are several ways to ensure that the people you send the emails open them to read about your company. Such ways include personalizing the messages, prompting a sense of urgency, and letting the recipients set their preferences. Last one on the list is mobile marketing. You can access social media and email marketing through your smartphone. Nonetheless, innovators have developed marketing apps you can use to create awareness about your products. Additionally, Sending text messages is also an effective way to let people know what you offer on the market. Mobile marketing is important because research shows that product consumers in the United States spend at least 5 hours on their phones. This increases the chances of more people coming across your products, whether in text messages, emails, mobile marketing applications, or social media. It also makes it easier because your current and prospective clients have your number to reach you directly. What we learned from this video is that starting a business is not enough. You have to ensure you get the word out there about your products. The internet and modern technology have become innovative marketing tools to leverage and even increase your enterprise conversion rate. That is why you should understand some of the best digital marketing techniques. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.